I love dancing. Dancing is my passion. And that's where Dance with Madhuri was born, actually.
I'm hot, you're not. I'm a superstar. I'm a superstar. Galaxy, galaxy, galaxy.
Started with a thought क्योंकि I love dancing. Dancing is my passion. और कहीं मुझे ऐसा लगा कि I would want to share this passion with everyone. The happiness, the joy it gives me, when you dance. ना ही एक joy मिलता है, एक spiritual भी एक it's like meditation, it gives you a kind of a spiritual satisfaction, and it also keeps you fit. तो ये तीनों चीज़ें एक ही चीज़ से निकलती है, डांस से. और मैंने ऐसे ही मैं बैठे थे हम लोग और मैंने कहा कि कैसे हो सकता है कि वी कैन टेक डांस टू एवरी हाउस इन दिस वर्ल्ड. And Dr. Nene Ram was sitting with me and he said, yeah, why not, we can do that. And that's where Dance with Madhuri was born, actually, where we took it on the internet and we teach dancing on the internet. You can learn to dance from the best of gurus at your own time. You don't have to actually wait for a class to go there. You can learn any time of the day, and according to your convenience, whenever you have a little time, something got cancelled and you just want to learn a dance. So I thought it was a great idea, and we kind of put it to the test, and we came up with Dance with Madhuri, and we got a very, very good response from people. And that's how then the association with Tata Sky happened, kyunki it was quite popular, and we thought that maybe we could also reach out to people who don't have good broadband, like sometimes बहुत बड़ी files होती हैं and they cannot download it, or the internet is not functioning properly, but this will be DTH, and so it's easier to reach out to those people this way, and they have like more than 15 million people, I think, watching. तो ये association बहुत अच्छा रहा. Oh, lots of moments in my life. Dance, I think, is a part of me. Whenever I go on stage, people expect me to dance. Whenever I meet people, they say, can we just have a little jig with you? So dance, I think I was 3 years old when I first started dance. So my journey started there. And I always dance. Even if I'm stressed, I just go and dance and I feel better. Well, everything. I mean, my profession is such that dancing is a big part of my profession. उसी तरह dancing is a big part of our culture. क्योंकि जब भी शादियाँ होती है, you dance. If there's Ganpati, you dance. If there's party in your house, you dance. You go clubbing, you dance. So dance is everywhere. It's all around you, and it's a very major part of not just my life, but everybody else's life too. Oh yeah, I mean, we do the jig, and we kind of go out once in a while, and just forget the world, and we just dance.
I always say Ke Sara Sara because it combines a little bit of both. And obviously her movements are great, and Prabhudeva is a very talented dancer, so I don't think anyone would argue. But, dance is an expression. I mean, it's a way to express yourself without using words. And when you look at the faces, I always say this to her with Biju Maharaji, he speaks very Shuddh Hindi. यानी मेरी हिंदी बहुत अच्छी नहीं है, लेकिन मैं सीख रहा हूँ. माला मराठी से व्यवस्थित है तो, लेकिन बीजू महाराज जी का डांस इतना अच्छा है कि कुछ नहीं बोलना पड़ेगा, लेकिन सब समझता हूँ.
कुछ बोले बिना you can understand कि वो क्या कह रहे हैं.
So when you can do that and your body language expresses it, then dancing becomes true happiness, and it becomes an expression of what's inside.
Well, right now they are more into this, they haven't taken dance seriously yet. They just dance because they feel happy or they're feeling good, or तो फिलहाल वो मेरे सामने ज़्यादा डांस नहीं करते हैं, लेकिन they're not shy.
I gotta tell you, she doesn't know the half of it. We videotape it, and They dance when you least expect it. It's like the old saying, dance when no one's watching. And believe me, they're dancing when no one's watching just for fun. I think all of us have done it. It's like singing in the shower, right? And everyone does it at one time or another. In India, in coming back to India, so many people dance for so many reasons. It's phenomenal. And I mean, it's part of our culture. And that was very different in the States. I think other than really occasions, here, I mean, you see them in the street. Any Ganpati that goes by or any Diwali or anything, everyone's up in arms. And so it's good.
Well, I think it's a very personal thing. I mean, I cannot comment on others, but if it, whatever you do has to be tasteful and it has to be done very well. And for that, you need that talent. You need the understanding of what is good and what is not. And I think I was very fortunate to work with, the best of best like Saroji and, whichever dancers I've done. I think we have made it look beautiful. Well, I'm looking at different scripts and I'm still deciding, which one I would like to do.
I'm hot, you're not. I'm a superstar. I'm a superstar. Galaxy.